Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2015 Infiniti Q60 6MT Coupe that we have for sale. The 6MT stands for 6-speed manual transmission, and when you elect to get a Infiniti Q60 with a manual transmission, Infiniti assumes that you're a sports car enthusiast wanting a manual, so they automatically include all the sporty hardware, or pretty much all the sporty hardware available in 2015 on the Q60. So you get not only a 6-speed manual gearbox, you get aluminum pedals, you get extra bolstering in the seats you hold you in place during performance driving, you have a more aggressive looking front fascia, sport tuned suspension package, larger brakes, and you get a mechanical limited slip differential. Really cool stuff. In fact, mechanical limited slip differential, that's hardware that they don't offer in any Infiniti products in the last few years. In fact, I think the last vehicle to have a mechanical limited slip differential, let alone a manual transmission for an Infiniti product, was a Q60 in 2015. And this is not to be confused with a completely redesigned new body style Q60. The 2015 Q60 is actually just a name change for the old G37 platform. Infiniti went through an identity crisis and they kind of changed all their model names, confused people in 2014. So the G37 Coupe just became the Q60 in 2014. So 2015 Q60 is very similar to a G37. I've been with Infiniti close to 20 years. I've owned Infiniti products myself. I currently own an Infiniti FX37, which does share some DNA with the Q60/G37. These are amazing products. I love manual transmissions. I reluctantly traded in my 2005 G35 6MT sedan, which I said I'd never trade in, but I wanted to upgrade to a newer vehicle. I wasn't driving that much, so I have reasons for that, but I love manual transmissions. I love manual transmission Infinitis. If you feel the same way, really cool product. This is a clean Carfax vehicle, 86,964 miles, beautiful shape inside and out. It's been serviced and checked by our Infiniti certified techs. In fact, who better to buy a prune Infiniti from than a new Infiniti retailer like us? Our techs work on these vehicles on a daily basis and are very familiar with them. Built and assembled in Japan, the G37/Q60 platform is a very robust, reliable platform. You don't see too many issues with these vehicles. This one is nicely equipped with features, beautiful perforated leather interior. We have power and heated front seats, great sounding Bose audio system. We have a navigation package, rear parking camera, moonroof, automatic dimming mirror with universal garage door opener, power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. And look at this, this is another feature that Infiniti doesn't offer anymore. See, the whole gauge cluster goes up and down to the steering wheel, and the reason why they do that is so the steering wheel will never obstruct the gauges. Perhaps it's a little bit too much to manufacture, made it a little bit more complicated to build the vehicle, so maybe in a cost-saving measure, they did away with this feature. It's too bad. I think it was really cool. And I'm kind of on the taller end, so I do have an issue. For me, a lot of times when I drive, the steering wheel, sometimes in the position I want it to be, will be right in front of the gauge cluster, obstructing the speed or the tachometer. So it's really nice to have that feature. And you might be looking at the exterior, what's going on with the paint? Well, this actually has a wrap on it. Underneath, it's white, and the wrap's been on the vehicle for... So basically, the paint has been preserved under this wrap for about 3 years. It looks cool, kind of the blackout theme of the vehicle, but if you do prefer to take the wrap off, it is pretty easily, I wouldn't say pretty easy, but it's not a huge ordeal to take it off. It might be a little bit of a labor, but it can come off. These are the upgraded wheels you get with the 6MT package in 2015. Larger brakes, trunk mounted spoiler. The Q60 is built on the advanced Midship platform. A lot of sporty Infinitis we've seen over the last 20 years have been built on this platform. Also shares this platform with a Nissan 370Z. In fact, you could call the Q60 almost like a grand touring version of the Z. Maybe if you like the Z, this has pretty much the same mechanical hardware you find in the Z, but the nice thing about this, it's a little bit more luxurious, a little bit more comfortable for everyday driving, and you do get a back seat, which you don't get on the G. On the Z. And there's that awesome 3.7 liter V6, makes about 330 horsepower. These are fantastic engines. You have maintenance-free timing chains. I've seen plenty of these engines with 200 and close to 300,000 miles on them, still running strong. I have the same engine in my FX37, and it runs great. I've been with Infiniti a long time, and the VQ series engine is considered one of the best V6 engines ever offered in the United States. With the Q60, you have a little bit more of an aggressive looking front fascia of the sport package. Looks like we have an aftermarket headlight package, looks really nice. Obviously you might be a little bit further away from us, so we have complimentary shipping to Washington, Oregon, and Idaho. If you live a little bit further away, I know this might be a rare one, we can arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. Unfortunately, that can't be complimentary, but we work with lots of logistics and shipping companies, so we can get this shipped just about anywhere. Contact us for more details. And of course, with our mobile delivery service, we can put this in our car hauler, we can print up all the paperwork, and this beautiful Q60 6MT can be all yours, potentially without leaving your neighborhood or your driveway. Thanks for watching, hope to see you soon, and have a wonderful day.